Did you know that your cells have the incredible ability to repair and rejuvenate themselves with the right nutrients? Everyone, I'm Leilani, and as a chef and a clinical nutritionist, I've spent years diving into the science of food and supplements. And one of the biggest keys to slowing down the aging process lies in the foods, or in some cases, the supplements that you consume. And these aren't the usual suspects you've heard of. Research shows that targeted nutrition can slow cellular aging, boost your energy levels, and keep your skin glowing. In today's video, I'm sharing the 5 effective nutrients that can help you feel younger, stronger, and more energized without overhauling your whole routine. So let's get straight into the good stuff. Think of your body as a bustling office of tiny employees. They're juggling a dozen deadlines, from dealing with toxins to repairing DNA. And if you supply them with the right resources, they stay productive and motivated. Without those resources, they're more likely to slack off and suddenly everything's behind schedule, including how fast or slow you age. That's where nutrients step in, ensuring your cells have what they need to regenerate, repair, and keep you feeling and looking young. Now, before we dive in today, just a quick reminder, always consult your healthcare professional before starting any supplement or making big changes to your diet, especially if you have special concerns or conditions or allergies or on medication, and start with real food wherever possible. Supplements can be incredibly helpful, but they are not a replacement for a balanced diet, and I don't think that they're good for long term. And remember, everybody's needs are different. Now, you don't have to try everything at once. Even just starting with one nutrient and bringing that into your day-to-day life can make a really meaningful difference. And whether you choose supplements or the food, I've included all of that in today's video. Urolithin A. So let's talk about Urolithin A. It's a powerful compound that acts as a caretaker for your cells. Urolithin A is derived from pomegranates by your gut microbes, and its main job is keeping your cells' powerhouses, known as mitochondria, in tip-top condition. And it boosts a process called mitophagy, which replaces old, sluggish mitochondria with fresh, energetic new ones. So here's a visual for you. Imagine a dedicated gardener pruning and replanting your backyard so there's no weeds, no wilted plants, just thriving, vibrant blooms. That's what Urolithin A does for your cells. Keeps them energized and functioning at their best. The best source of Urolithin A is pomegranates. So snack on the seeds, toss them into a salad, grab some frozen ones for your smoothies, a splash of pomegranate juice, if that's a bit easier to get started. And if it's not enough or you're struggling, you can choose a supplement. Most countries have it available. By helping your cells generate fresh mitochondria, Urolithin A supports better energy production, improves stamina, and can slow down aging. Okay, next up, Resveratrol. You might have heard of this one. It does make the news every now and again, and it's fascinating. It's often called the youthful whisperer for your cells. So everything is made up of cells, your skin, your body. That's why when I talk about cells, that's what is actually everything is made of. Resveratrol is a protective plant compound that helps fend off early aging at a cellular level. It's linked to longevity enzymes, or also known as sirtuins, which support mitochondrial health and reduce cellular stress. And those are the key factors in slowing the signs of aging. Resveratrol is found naturally in foods like red grapes, peanuts, and berries. And yes, also in red wine. But hey, let's keep it simple. I'm all for a nice glass of wine, but a bottle a day does more harm than good. So this compound doesn't just support anti-aging, it has a positive impact on your gut health. Studies suggest that resveratrol can nurture beneficial gut bacteria species like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which can lead to brighter skin, a clearer mind, and a stronger immune system. And resveratrol is also available in supplement form too. Just make sure you choose a high quality product to get the most out of it. By adding resveratrol-rich foods or supplements to your routine, you give your cells and gut the extra support they need to help you look and feel great. So cheers to that. So if you follow me, you know that I'm all about the gut. Your gut microbes are like your best mates. They do the heavy lifting when it comes to extracting nutrients your body needs from the food you eat and the supplements. Without a healthy gut, your ability to absorb essential nutrients and vitamins and compounds like Urolithin A, resveratrol, is really, really limited. So check out the links below. I've got a comprehensive course on how to get your gut in a great shape. So if that's something that you think needs addressing, go and have a look. Number 3, omega-3 fatty acids. So let's dive into omega-3 fatty acids, your body's ultimate calming ally. This one you would have heard of because they are like a soothing balm for your body. They help calm inflammation, which is the subtle, silent annoyance that can make you feel older than you are. Think of them as an expert pilot, keeping your heart, your brain on a smooth, steady course. Chronic inflammation speeds up the aging process, and it affects everything from your energy levels to your skin. If you get those little bumps on the back of your arms, that can mean that you've got a deficiency. It's one of those little symptoms. So omega-3 is like an extinguisher for inflammation, and therefore it helps keep you more balanced and resilient. These essential fats are found in foods like salmon, sardines, flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts. And chia seeds in particular, they may be tiny, but they're incredibly mighty. And omega-3 does also come in supplement form, but with this, it's so important to get a quality oil from a reputable source. That oil in the omega-3 supplement is so delicate and can become rancid, which not only reduces the benefits, but actually can make it more harmful. So make sure you choose super high quality supplement and maybe spend a little bit of extra money on that one. Now, I'll dive deeper into how to pick the best supplements in future episodes. So let me know in the comments below what your supplement you want me to research on, and I'd love to hear from you. So while you're there, show me some love, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video so I can bring you more of this good content. So quick tip, aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or try adding chia seed pudding to your morning routine. Number 4, NMN. How does it work? As we age, our NAD levels, and it stands for a very long, complicated term, so I'll just call it NAD, they drop. And NAD is like a battery that powers your cells. And when those levels decline, so does your energy and your overall vitality. That's where NMN comes in. It is a building block for NAD, for NAD. It helps to recharge those cellular batteries. Think of NMN as your morning coffee kick, but it actually fuels every cell in your body. So suddenly you're just cruising through your day like you found an extra gear. NMN is often taken as a supplement. You can look up David Sinclair. He's really all over that. But you can support your body's natural NAD production by eating foods that are rich in B vitamins. Do you know what they are? Leafy greens, legumes, whole grains. And if you're not sure how to add them to your daily meal plan, come and watch my cooking classes. I show you how to sneak them into the meals, and also how to use traditional ancient techniques that help unlock the nutrients in these humble foods, making them a superfood. Topping up NAD levels helps boost energy production support the anti-aging process with DNA repair, and just helps you feel more overall vibrant. Let's move on. Number 5, coenzyme Q10. I know they have these crazy names, but I don't know why they name them so impossible to remember. But let's talk about that. Coenzyme Q10 is a powerful nutrient for your body. Coenzyme Q10 is a powerful nutrient your body absolutely loves. It's often called the cellular spark plug, and for really good reason. It's a key player in energy production. And think of it as the spark plug that gets your cells' energy engine running. It lives in your mitochondria, those little power plants in your cells that help convert food you eat into energy. Without it, your cells can't function at their best. Here's the catch. As we age, our natural levels of coenzyme Q10 start to decline. Less coenzyme Q10 means less energy and less protection against oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of aging. Not only does coenzyme Q10, which you're going to learn about that word, so I've said it so many times, give your cells the energy that they need, but it also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. This dual action helps keep your body and skin looking younger and more youthful. Coenzyme Q10 is naturally found in certain foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, organ meats, liver, kidney, nuts, seeds, spinach, broccoli. But here's the thing. It's really hard to get enough coenzyme Q10 from food alone, especially as you age. Plus, it depends on how the shape of your gut is to how much of that nutrient you're actually absorbing and how you prepare the foods to whether that food can be harmful or helpful to your health. And I talk a lot about that in my cooking classes, and I think it's not spoken about enough. This is where supplements can make a big difference. Coenzyme Q10 comes in 2 forms, ubiquinone and ubiquinol. Ubiquinol is the more active, absorbable form, but supplements vary in quality, so it is important to choose a reputable brand. And look for ones that are easy to absorb, but also free from unnecessary fillers. And I do think it is worth spending a bit of extra money on a quality supplement. Alrighty folks, that'll do. If you've gained a tip or 2 on how to look and feel younger, hit that like button. Please subscribe to me. It helps me keep sharing simple science-based strategies to help you thrive at any age. Thank you for spending time with me today. Aging gracefully isn't about chasing miracles. It's about giving your body the nutrients and support it needs day by day. And remember, even small changes like adding pomegranate seeds to a salad can add up over time and make a noticeable difference. So here's to a healthier you.